Life as a man, it's not a story often told. Because most men carry their battles in silence. No one asks, are you okay? No one wonders how heavy it really is to wear that invisible armor every single day. From a young age, you are told, be tough, don't cry, man up. And so you do. You suppress, you hide, you pretend. You build walls no one sees because showing weakness, even once, might cost you respect, might cost you love, might cost you everything. But what the world forget is, behind every man is a boy who was forced to grow up too fast. A boy who was told you must provide, you must protect, you must win, even when he's just trying to understand who the hell he is. Life as a man is a test. Every single day you are tested, not just by the world, but by your doubts, fears, and expectations. You are expected to be force strong for others. Even when you are falling apart yourself, you are expected to figure out life, career, money, love, without ever being taught how. And when you fall behind, no sympathy, no helps, no handouts. Because society doesn't hand out safety nets to men, it's hand out pressure and say, deal with it. But here's what they don't understand: men are not weak because they feel pain, they are strong because they endure it silently. They carry their storms, walk through their chaos, and still show up every damn day. You see, being a man is not about muscles or dominance, it's about responsibility. It's about waking up at 5 am to grind while the world sleeps. It's about doing work you hate just to feed people you love. It's about saying I'm fine even when your mind is screaming for help. But here is the truth no one tells you. You are allowed to feel. You are allowed to break. You are allowed to cry in the dark, bleed in silence, and still rise in the morning with fire in your chest. Because you were never meant to be emotionless. You were meant to be unbreakable through your pain. Life as a man is a war, but not just against poverty, not just against expectations. It's a war against yourself, against the voice that say you are not enough, you will never make it, you are a failure. But I will tell you something, brother. Every time you get up after being knocked down, every time you keep moving forward with no fuel left in your soul, every time you choose to rise, not for applause, but for purpose, that's when you become a real man. Not when you flex, not when you impress, but when you lead, when you protect, when you sacrifice without the need for recognition. Being a man is lonely. Most of your victories will be unseen, your sacrifice unnoticed, your struggle ignored. But that's okay because your purpose is not to be seen, it's to be remembered by your kids, by your women, by your future self who will look back and say, I am proud of the man I became when no one believed in me, not even myself. Maybe right now you are broken. Maybe right now you heartbroken. Maybe you are tired. Maybe you have lost your way. But hear me, brother. This pain feel is not here to break you. It's here to build you. Build your hunger, your discipline, your legacy. You weren't born just to exit. You were born to lead, to build, to conquer the world. So rise, even if you are tired, even if you are bleeding, even if no one claps for you. Because this is the life of a man. He walks alone, he fights in silence, but he leaves behind a legacy that roars louder than 1,000 voices. So don't quit, don't fold, don't disappear. You are not weak, you are becoming. You are not lost, you are evolving. And one day, when the world sees the empire you built with your scars, sweat, and silence, they will ask you how you do it. Just smile and say, life made me a man, pain made me a warrior. By the way, whatever you are facing, let's conquer it.